For this project, you're going to be using one font for your entire book, and I've put together a list of fonts that you can choose from. You can find them by going to the module in Canvas and going to Fonts PDFs. When you click on it, you'll get this document. On this document, I've gathered all of the fonts and I've written a sentence using each of the fonts so you can see what the letters look like when they're typed. So you can choose any of these fonts. And the way that you get them is by going to this, clicking this hyperlink, which will take you to the Google Drive folder, a folder in our class Google Drive, where I have all of these fonts. So once you get here, you just choose the font that you want. So what you would want to do is, look at these and decide which you like the best, which view you like, so that way you can try more than one. Think of which font works the best with your subject matter. And then you would download whichever font you like. I'm going to try downloading Gotham. So you do is select it, then hit download. The file is going to zip in the Google Drive, and then once it's zipped, it should download to your computer. Then you can go to your downloads and open the zip folder by clicking on it, and then it unzips, and then you have the folder. So what you're going to do is click this folder, and if you have a Mac, this is how you would install a font. I can't really show PC users how to install a font because I don't have a PC, but you can Google this information and it should come up pretty quickly. So what you're going to do is, these are all the different weights of the font, and you're going to want to install as many as you want so that way you can use as many as you want. So you can open this, and when you open this, you're going to hit install. This is already installed on my computer, so I'm not going to install it again. But if you hit install, then it should go into your font book. And this is again if you have a Mac. So you're going to need to install each weight individually. So the steps, again, is you find fonts in Canvas in the module, then you click on this hyperlink when you know which fonts you want to download. You should probably download between 2 and 3 just so you could go back and forth and pick one that you like. And then you're going to download the font from this folder, and then you can install it, and once it's installed, it should appear in Photoshop, but also in Illustrator and InDesign, which is what I meant. It should appear here. And when you type, so you type by clicking on the type tool, drag out a box, type a sentence. I think that's spelled wrong. So then you would highlight it, and if you go in here to character, and this is in the properties panel, and you can type in Gotham, which is the font that we just installed, and then you can pick one of these weights. And that is how you install a font.